Hello world, this is Sugarcoder. Today is National Raspberry Cake Day, and in this video I'm going to show you how simple it is to make delicious raspberry cupcakes inspired by Tokyo Ghoul. So to save myself some time, I used a delicious chocolate cupcake mix and then added some eggs, vegetable oil, and water, and mixed everything well together. I also added a few tablespoons of raspberry preserves. Then in my speedy cupcake maker, I put some baking cups and then added the batter into it. I used a cupcake scooper to scoop the batter into the baking cups, which makes my life a lot easier. And then I baked the cupcakes for about 7 to 8 minutes and then let the cupcakes cool completely. Once the cupcakes were cooled, I used a cupcake core and emptied out the center and added some raspberry preserves in the middle. Then I sealed it back up and dusted the top with powdered sugar. Then I generously put a bunch of red sanding sugar in the center. And then that's pretty much it. So what is your favorite raspberry dessert? Do you like raspberry pie, raspberry cake, raspberry cupcakes, raspberry ice cream? Let me know in the comments below. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.